congratulations po sa inyong pag-reunion ito. Sana ho ay i-value niyo yung isa't isa. Never mind kung ano ba na narating, hindi ho yun ang mahalaga. Never mind kung ano yung status sa buhay niyo ngayon, kundi sino ka sa akin, sino ako sa iyo. Diba? Kasi nga, palagay ko ako sa sarili ko, ang pinaka talagang gusto mo makasama, ano ko, ay hindi lang yung kapamilya, hindi ka mag-anak, kundi ang mga kaklase, simula pa doon. Elementary and high school, yan. Kaya ang ginagawa natin ng reunion, gusto natin sama-sama kasi we value one another. 31 years, di ba? 31 years. Simula noong 1993 at saka 2024. Ngayon, pwede mo bang tingnan ninyo ang isa't isa? Tumingin kayo sa isa't isa? Yan. Di ba? Pwede bang sa inyo pagtingin sa isa't isa? Itanong niyo sa inyong katabi, ikaw ba yan? Sana po, no, you value the presence of yung bawat isa na kasama niyo sa pag-trio na ito niyong reunion. So muli po, congratulations and God bless you.
The sun's out, la 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 la, and it feels so good. La 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 la, on my side. La 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 la, it feels so good. Let's go. La 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 la.
Last year was our 30th anniversary.
Living life with no stress, yes. Every minute's my best, yes. Feel like I'm winning.
Pero ngayon, pag-uusapan ang Grand Reunion ng Batch 93, Tanawan Institute.
On the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh blue, pussy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. Ooh, I love the world today. I'm living on the bright side. 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 It's that tank top weather, oh. All my friends get together, oh. Feel it couldn't be better, yes. Tell me this is forever, yeah. Summer days they're getting hotter, she getting up.
At
like
alam
water,
nyo ba,
baby, it's beautiful.
85% sa inyo, crush ko.
I'm living on the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh blue, pussy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. Ooh, I love the world today. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side.
Happy Grand Reunion Batch 1993!
I'm living on the bright side.
Welcome to our reunion, Grand Reunion Tanawan Institute Batch 93.
Huwag po tayong magsawang sumuporta sa ating regular reunion.
Enjoy lang kayo sa panonood ng Facebook Live.
Ito na po yung pinaka-grand day na atin po pinakahintay.
Side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in a fresh mood, pussy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. Ooh, I love the world today. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side.
I'm very glad kasi nagkasama-sama tayo. After 31 years, tayo nagkita-kita ulit. This afternoon is not about me, not about you, not about you, not about you, but this is all about us. This is for us. This is Batch 1993.